Version 1.1 of the Polykit for MODO introduces a new mesh operation called Action Transform. What does it do? I'll tell you. Action Transform takes a selection consisting of a number of polygon islands and applies a transformation, a combination of translation, rotation and scale, to that island. It works in 4 different modes. In local mode, the transformations are applied to each island in a coordinate system specific to that island. This is analogous to the local action center in direct modeling. In model and world origin modes, the same transformation is applied to all the islands using the model or world coordinate system. The latter includes any transformations that you have applied to the mesh item. User mode is similar to model and world modes, except that you can specify your own coordinate system by plugging in a position and rotation matrix. Action Transform can also have a falloff applied in its toolpipe. The falloff can be applied either per vertex or per polygon island. In the latter case, the falloff value is fixed per island based on its centroid or average position. Finally, you can turn the fall-off effects on or off for translation, rotation and scale. I hope you find this new mesh op useful.